Yo, what's good everybody? Today we're going to use the Coverlay dashboard to fix this dashboard I have. All cracked and sticky. We're going to fix it with Coverlay. And look at the sticky and cracked dash right here.
So all types of nasty here, bruh. Right there. So we're going to fix it with Coverlay.
So now we're going to do the unboxing. And here it is. I think for right now, all we have to do is clean the dashboard, put the glue on it. I think that's about it, so stay tuned. This is the dash outside the box. They have all this extra padding here because I'm pretty sure these are the keyhole areas. Stay tuned. By the way, it's pretty light. It's pretty light. Like, I'm doing this one hand.
Alright, so according to the instructions, you need some Windex, clean cloth, sandpaper, and utility knife, like a putty knife. Make sure that the entire dash is nice and smooth when we put the Coverlay on. Like, look how sticky this is. Ugh. Like, look at that. It just comes right off. It's time. It's time for Coverlay.
We got some Windex ammonia-based cleaner. They say we gotta thoroughly clean the dashboard. That's what they suggested on the instructions right here. It says to apply sandpaper on some areas, but I don't have sandpaper, so I'm just gonna spray this thing down and clean it up. They specifically tell you not to use Armor All, acetone, paint thinner, or any petroleum-based solvents, because if you do, the new dash, the Coverlay, will get warped over time.
One day you gotta glow up for everybody. You gotta start flossing on everybody.
So right now what I'm doing is checking the new fit of the new dash. I forgot to take off some pieces here. Alright, so big lesson, make sure you cut off all the little tiny pieces beforehand.
Items, man. Getting money like it's any other day.
So now comes the fun part. Spray it down.
No matter when or where, we get our money anyway. But even if it's trouble, everything's gonna be okay. My squad always stay.
Now that I cleaned it with the ammonia base, aka Windex, I'm gonna apply the silicone. And what I'm doing, I'm watching the video that Coverlay actually put online to make my whole process easier.
And 100 counting bands in the bank, cause I be tired
Like I'm Playboy, and I keep a 40 talk like I'm Playboy. Never feel the weight of a charm, nigga, like I'm Playboy. Got my bands, I run it up like I'm Playboy. You know I'm poppin' like I'm Playboy. No halo black, but I'm the man like I'm Playboy. I stay with 1,000 bands like I'm Playboy. I don't know you a fan, but like I'm Playboy. Flossing like I'm Playboy.
Alright people, now it's the moment of truth. Ah, shit.
Once upon a time, long ago, I was getting bills, that's why they call me Buffalo. I became the best at only 15 years old. And I started getting paper like an Office Depot.
I'm getting all this cardboard from the box that came in, FYI, people.
Catch me backstage, getting ready for the show. 20 minutes left until I give the crowd a go. The building packed all the way to the front row. Everybody out the building cause the place is...
It's a lot, it feels like a lot. And I'm low-key freaking out, but I think I can do it, you know?
About to blow, getting money like it's any other day. No matter when or where, we get our money anyway. But even if it's trouble, everything's gonna be okay. My squad, we stay 100 counting bands in the bank.
cause I be tired
Like I'm Playboy, and I keep a 40.
So like I'm Playboy, flip top.
I'm Playboy, got my bands, I run it up.
Like I'm Playboy, you know I pop a
Like I'm Playboy, no halo black, but I'm the man. Like I'm Playboy, I stay with 1,000. Like I'm Playboy.
Alright, so now I'm gonna let it sit for about 8 hours, pretty much overnight, and hope for the best. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's been about way over 8 hours. I want to say about 9 hours. It's late. Changed my clothes. Got this new drip on. Anyhow, we're gonna take all this weight off and let's see how it came out. By the way, buy my book.
Birds, now I'm laying on the beach. I got a stretch limo that look like a centipede. Wallet full of.
By the way, buy my new book, now on sale on Amazon. How to write your own book. Well, not how to write, but how to publish your own book. The whole process. Buy it now on Amazon.
Money, I call that my money tree. Savage in the flesh, like Big Flock and Fenric. Get rich in 7 days, I call that a money week. I am not LeBron.
Holy shit, alright. Hey, I fucking did it. I did it. Oh man, I feel, wow. Wow, alright. I'm pretty fucking, wow. I'm in complete shock, people. Let's take this off. It's close view. Alright, but yo, check this out. Check this out. Alright, so you saw the before shots. Now the after shots.
I am not LeBron cause I will never leave my heat. No matter when or where we get our money anyway. I always keep a meal, that's why my friends call me me.
I mean, like compared to before, yo. Phenomenal. And it's exactly what I wanted.
My squad, we be ballin' every day. Pocket steady packing like I play for Green Bay. But I can see the money coming from a mile away.
I am a little in disbelief, like how this actually it came out. I did this by myself. Would I have liked 2 people to do it? Yes. Would I have liked a professional body worker to go and do this for me? Yes. But it feels so much better to say I did it. Man, it's just unbelievable. I'm really happy. Like, look at that. It's flushed. Wow. So, hey. Thanks everybody for watching the video. Thanks for sticking with me. So, my takeaway from all of this is definitely use 2 people. Definitely use 2 people. Make sure you take out all the sticky parts of your dashboard. And if you have to get sandpaper, get the sandpaper. Go ahead, make it a project and make it happen. Thanks everybody for watching. Peace.